Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you our hotel experience in Marriott Hotel. I hope also guys na napanood nyo na rin yung Isden Hotel and the Curve Hotel experience namin. So this video, I'm gonna share to you guys also our first time to try Shisha. Please stay tuned and watch till end, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. Marriot Hotel is situated on the beach and only a short distance from airport. We enjoyed the warm and professional service from our check-in until we left. This is how our room looks like and the view outside at night. Marriot Hotel also has wide beach where you can enjoy swimming. The same as other 5-star hotels, Marriott also offers best of hotel facilities, foods, function halls, gym, and more. Of course, taking pictures is a must on a first day staycation in hotel. This is their wide swimming pool and alongside has bar and coffee shops.
Wow!
So this was our first time to try Shisha. This was also the time I learned that Shisha has different flavors.
Wow!
Una man. Sa'yo. Gagawin din naman.
Di mo magitulon!
Tingog ka.
One eternity later.
The next day is swimming as usual, and I enjoyed it the most since I love swimming. Thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to like and And if you have any more comment, just type the comment down below. And of course, please don't forget to click the don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching!